Hey everybody in YouTube world, we're going to try to put some spark plugs in this 1993 Goldwing. This bike's been sitting for quite a while. The owner passed away. I've recently purchased it from his widow. I don't know exactly how long it's been sitting, but I know it's been off the road for at least 5 years, and it was off the road for a little bit longer than that, but there's not really any telling. It's got some issues. I went ahead and changed the oil. I changed the rear diff fluid, added an air cleaner, tried to clean the carbs while they were on the bike. Thing's still running fairly rough, so we're going to attempt to change some spark plugs today. This is the first time owning a Goldwing, also the first attempt at putting some plugs in one of these things. So the things I think that I'm going to need is, you look down here, we got a bucket to sit on. We got some JIS standard type screwdrivers, and what that is a Japanese industrial standard, I think is what it stands for. They tend to bite into the screwdriver quite a bit better than the regular screwdriver would. So I have a magnet. I've got a 18 millimeter spark plug socket. Don't think that you're going to get out here and get a 3/4 inch or something like that, because it's a little bit difference in the size, about 50 thousandths or a millimeter and a half on the size of that. I've got some NGK spark plugs. They're already gapped at 35 thousandths. I've got a wire type spark plug gapping tool. The reason why I like a wire is because the diameter of a wire is the same thing all the way across. So you don't have to worry about getting the orientation exactly right on it to check it. If your gap is pretty far off, you want to make sure that you get that electrode pretty well square up. Got a plastic pry tool, and for us old folks that need some readers, I got a pair of those as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this thing, and we'll see how it goes.